Hi guys, welcome back. In this lecture I'm going to be talking to you about any installation issues you've had with regards to the Java development kit, and we're just going to do some troubleshooting. So a common problem when installing the Java development kit is that the system does not know where you have downloaded and installed the Java development kit files and the Java runtime environment. So they come both together in that. So what that means is we're going to have to program the computer to tell the computer where it is, so that when you want to run Java applications, it can use that to run it. So what I've done is I've gone into File Explorer. This is on Windows 10. So you go to this PC and OSC. Then here you've got program files. So you just click that. And then you can see here Java has been installed. So you just click Java, and then you can see there's two here. So there's the JDK and the JRE. So they've come together under the Java Development Kit download. So you then open first this one, and then you see this here. So what you have to do is you have to copy the file path of bin. So you just literally do copy. So you go to properties first, I'd recommend. And then, okay, it's not, oh, there we go. So just copy this, and then go to the control panel. Control panel. So you go to the control panel, advanced settings, search that at the top right there. View advanced system settings, and then go to environment variables. And then you'll see here the path. So you've actually got to just click new or edit really. You can edit them actually. And then you can see I've already done it. I've done it for the JDK and the JRE. So you're going to have to copy what the file path we've just done by clicking new, and remember to add bin on the end, and do the same for the JRE as well. So you can go back to where you got the JDK and the JRE, which is, just to let you know, is right here, and then just do the same there. And then copy the bin file path, and then that should work. So by testing that, you then go to the command prompt, and then you go to the command prompt and type in javac. Sorry, javac. Okay, hold on, just let that. Okay, there we go. And then you've got all these file paths here with regards to the Java development kit. So I hope that makes sense. You've installed it properly, and now we can continue doing other things.